Check out this stunning armor owned by Ferdinand I, 1503-1564. The toe caps feature the imperial double-headed eagle and royal crown, highlighting Ferdinand's status as King of the Romans and successor to Emperor Charles V. The breastplate displays the Virgin and Child, a design also used by Charles V. The backplate boasts the Order of the Golden Fleece insignia, a prestigious chivalric society Ferdinand belonged to. Crafted by Kunz Lochner, Nuremberg's top armorer, this piece is one of several made for Ferdinand and his son around 1546. Don't miss this historical masterpiece.